Hey folks, welcome back to Florida Food Forest. Today I'm digging a big pit.
That sounds like a special job just for me. My name is Scruffy Long Droppings. I specialize in roofing and digging holes.
Aren't you a little angel? I don't need you to dig holes though, sorry.
Oh, I can dig some deep holes for you. You want me to dig a deep hole for you?
No thanks, buddy, I got this one for sure.
Oh man, that stinks. I wish I was glue.
Be careful what you wish for? Oh, I can use some glue though. That's pretty cool, thank you. All right, and here is the crop circle. See what I have here is a pit I made about, I don't know, 8 foot wide. I probably should have made it closer to 10 foot, maybe a little bit bigger. But then I have a root crop right on the edge of the line, and a little bit farther back from that, I'm gonna have bananas that are circling a good portion of it. On the far side, I'm gonna have sugar cane. So sugar cane is going to put its roots in there. I have longevity spinach right up to the line to fill that in. But I'm going to put a bunch of compost in there, eggshells, mulch, you name it. It's all going to go in there. Now, why would I want to do something like that? Well, this is my soil. That's pretty much it for Florida. The soil is just, there's no nutritional value in that at all. So best way I can combat that is, other than treating like everything around here, I'm gonna treat this pit. Well, I'm just gonna fill this pit up with compost, eggshells, you name it, it's going in there. If it's compostable and it's not a neighbor, I'm gonna put it in there. Neighbors wanna enjoy being composted, so don't do that. So hopefully this will work out pretty good. I do believe I should have made this a 10-foot wide circle instead of 8, but see that shovel right there? Yeah, look at that shovel. That's a good shovel right there. If I need to make this bigger in future years, that's what I'll do. But these root crops, man, I just started out with 3, maybe 2 years ago, and now I have a bunch. Every time I harvest them, I save a little bit and propagate more and more and more. The idea is to have pretty much an endless supply of them, so I can come out here pretty much whenever and get something to eat. That's kind of the idea behind my food forest here. If I'm hungry, I'll just wander around the yard, find something to eat. That's the idea. But that's why I would dig a pit like that. When that mulch and stuff breaks down in there and the compost is pulling in worms and millipedes, every other kind of life you can think of, it's getting pulled in that pit. And this horrible soil or sand won't mean anything, because they're gonna all end up kicking their roots down inside of this pit where all that yummy yum mulch and compost is all sitting. And all the millipedes that are breaking that stuff down, plants love that stuff. And so that's the idea. So I got it started. So I got my root crops right on the very edge. A little bit farther back I have bananas, and then periodically I'm gonna have a pigeon pea planted to help add in some more nitrogen. Since nitrogen is fixed by pigeon peas, I'm gonna add in a few. I'm not gonna add in a whole bunch, but I mean, I have thousands of pigeon peas, literally thousands of pigeon pea seeds. So I'll put some of those in there and call it good. I'm gonna dig this out a little bit more, put some mulch around there, put some compost in there, put the mulch on top of that, and I'll come back and show you the finished product, at least for this year. Like I said, if I have to make it bigger next year, not a problem. I have a shovel right there. If that shovel's not good enough, well, I'll get another shovel, make it bigger. All right, let's check it out when I'm finished. Okay, now here it is. It's almost finished. I'm gonna get some more logs. I'm actually just gonna put mulch over top of everything here. I'll break that down a little bit more. Yeah, these plants are going to look upset for a day or two, but they should bounce back. I've moved them around a couple times before in the past, and they've done pretty well. So I'm not too worried about that. I think I said I was going to put mulch down in the pit. That's actually not what went down there. There was lots of compost that was from mulch. So I can show you that soil that I put in there. Let me go dig some up. Hey there, little turtle. What are you doing? You just came out, huh? Well, I'll keep an eye out for your brothers and sisters. Yeah. Thanks for making an appearance. Look at you. You're so adorable. You're so tiny. A little bit bigger than my thumbnail. Not by much. Alright, well, I'll keep my eyes peeled for you guys. Have fun and welcome to the world. Now this is what I filled the pit with. This stuff right here. This is just broken down Broken down big pile of mulch. It's been sitting here for about a year, cooking down, full of millipedes and worms, cockroaches, you name it. Fire ants were even in the pile. Mean old buggers. But they help bring the stuff down, and that is what I filled that pit with. So hopefully those plants will enjoy that once they're able to stick their roots into it, and we will be rocking and rolling. Awesome deal. Well, I appreciate you watching. Please give a thumbs up. If you'd like, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification if you want. Other than that, I hope you have an awesome day. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.